So earlier this year, as we know, BlueSmart suspended operations, India's only serious EV exclusive ride-hailing service. They were clean cars, no surge pricing, a genuine alternative to Ola and Uber. That actually shut down and left the space empty. Vietnam's VinFast has, well, seen the vacuum which was created and decided to fill the gap. The service is called GreenSM GSM globally, and it is launching in Delhi NCR with a starting fare of just 8 rupees per kilometer. 8 rupees per kilometer is of course a number designed to be noticed. Yes, that's why I've said it again. Ola and Uber run on petrol and CNG fleets with surge pricing that the people using these apps know well enough. Yes, we've all experienced it and cried about it as well sometimes. GreenSM is pure electric, fixed fare positioning, and it is entering a market where the incumbent EV player just vacated. The question though is whether 8 rupees is a sustainable fare or an introductory rate that the business model cannot hold once, well, the recruitment phase is over. The ride-hailing industry has run this playbook before. We've seen it. Aggressive entry pricing, driver incentives, market share acquisition, and then a gradual recalibration once the competition is weakened. VinFast will need to answer that very question, and that too directly, because Indian riders have watched it happen already. The driver recruitment campaign is already running in Delhi NCR. The tagline is, "Driver nahi, partner bano." The offer is 35,000 to 40,000 rupees a month. Performance incentives are included, and of course comprehensive insurance. For the gig force that has spent years absorbing algorithm changes and shrinking margins from the existing platforms, the pitch is quite deliberate. Whether the terms hold once the launch phase ends is the part no recruitment advertisement is actually mentioning right now. The early numbers are actually the easy part. The pressure tends to be felt at later stages. The fleet vehicle is actually the VinFast Limo Green MPV, built specifically for fleet operations, designed for passenger comfort with a claimed range of 450 kilometers on a single charge. So for a Delhi NCR deployment, I feel that range eliminates the midday charging constraint that has been a practical limitation for EV fleet operators. The green livery is a conscious call. The product actually is visible on the road in a way that makes the brand the advertisement. VinFast is already building an EV manufacturing facility in Tamil Nadu. The ambition being signaled is vertical, factory, fleet, application, and infrastructure all developed together rather than assembled from third-party components. The Tamil Nadu plant means the supply chain has a domestic anchor, which matters for pricing stability and of course for the government relationships that any large-scale urban mobility operator needs to maintain. Now, whether the factory timeline and the Delhi NCR launch timeline stay aligned is actually a question the next 12 months will definitely answer. And here, of course, is the front page take. Cheaper fares and a cleaner commute are the immediate offer. The longer question is whether GreenSM has the capital and the patience to outlast the platforms it is competing against. Ola and Uber have absorbed challenges before. Yes, they have been veterans at doing so. The difference this time, though, is that the challenger is building the car as well as running the app. What are your thoughts on this wonderful little development? Please do let us know in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the EIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.